Hello and welcome. My name is Anna. I am your English teacher.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone.
This is an English podcast for beginners. We speak slowly. We use easy words.
Yes, very easy words. You can understand.
Before we start, please subscribe to this channel. Click on subscribe. Then you can get more English lessons.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps the channel. And you get new lessons.
Okay, now we start. Today we learn new numbers. Numbers from 20 and up.
In the last lesson, we had 1 to 20.
Yes, now we go higher. First, listen to the tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
I say them too. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Good, Mark. Listener, say them with Mark now.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Great. Now we put small numbers after 20. Listen. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
I continue. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Nice. Let's say them together, Mark. 21,
21,
22,
22,
23,
23,
24,
24,
25,
25,
26,
26,
27,
27,
28,
28,
29,
29,
30.
30.
Listener, now you say them alone from 21 to 30. Take your time.
We listen.
Very good.
Now, some more big numbers. Mark. Listen and repeat. 35,
35,
42,
42,
58,
58,
63,
63,
77,
77,
89.
89.
Listener, choose two numbers you like. For example, 35 and 63. Say them now.
You can pause the podcast if you want.
Great.
Now, we use numbers with age. Age is how old you are. We ask, how old are you?
How old are you?
Good. We answer, I am years old. For example, I am 30 years old.
I am 24 years old.
Listener, your turn. How old are you? Say, I am years old.
Say it out loud.
Good job. Let's play a small game with age. Mark, I say a number. You make a sentence.
Okay.
29,
I am 29 years old.
38,
I am 38 years old.
42.
I am 42 years old.
Nice. Listener, now you play. I say a number. You make the sentence. 21. Good. Now 35. Well done. Now we talk about family age. My mother is 50 years old. My father is 52 years old.
My brother is 27 years old. My sister is 21 years old.
Listener, say 2 sentences. For example, my mother is years old. My father is years old.
Think of your real numbers.
Very nice.
Now we use numbers with money. We talk about prices. Listen. This book is $20. This t-shirt is $35. These shoes are $59.
Let me repeat. The book is $20. The t-shirt is $35. The shoes are $59.
Good. Let's make a shop dialogue. Hello, can I help you?
Hello, yes. How much is this t-shirt?
It is $35.
Okay, thank you. And how much are these shoes?
They are $59.
That is expensive.
Yes, a little.
I will take the t-shirt, please.
Okay, $35, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Listener, now you practice with us. Mark, ask me about the book.
How much is this book?
It is $20. Listener, say Mark's question now.
How much is this book?
Great. Now change the number. Say, it is $40.
It is $40.
Very good. Next, phone numbers. Phone numbers use many numbers. We say each number alone. For example, 25 is 25. 40 is 40.
My phone number is 273958. I say 273958.
Good. Let's make one together. Phone number is 48 20 91. I say 48 20 91.
48 20 91.
Listener, say it too.
48 20 91.
Nice. Now a small dialogue. Mark, what is your phone number?
My phone number is 325980.
Listener, repeat Mark's number.
325980.
Very good. Listener, now you make a fake phone number. Say, my phone number is. Use easy numbers.
For example, 20 20 20.
Great. Now we add time and daily activities. Listen, I wake up at 7:30. I go to work at 8:30. I have lunch at 12:15. I go home at 5:45. I sleep at 11 o'clock.
My day is like this. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast at 7:20. I go to work at 8 o'clock. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I go home at 6 o'clock. I sleep at midnight.
Good. Listener, now say 2 sentences. I wake up at, I go to work at, or I go to school at.
Use numbers you know now.
Excellent. Now, Mark, let's mix everything in one dialogue. Good morning, Mark.
Good morning, Anna.
How old are you?
I am 28 years old. And you?
I am 30 years old. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 8:30.
Nice. How much is your bus ticket?
It is $2.
And how much is your lunch?
My lunch is $8.
So, $10 in one day.
Yes, $10.
What is your phone number, Mark?
It is 452093.
Okay, thank you. Listener, did you hear the numbers? Age, time, money, phone number.
You can listen again. You can pause. You can repeat.
And please subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, you get more practice.
Yes, and like the video too.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You did a great job.
See you in the next lesson.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.